Dear children, have a great day. Welcome to grade 4 Science. Today we are going to see new chapter. So before entering into that, just look at this picture. What could you understand from this? In the first picture, a boy is searching something, that is seeing something, right? And in the second picture, a man with the help of some cardboard, he used to make an artificial hand, and with the help of that artificial hand, he is trying to lift a tin, right? So what could you understand from these two pictures? Yes, that is, in first picture, a boy is trying to discover something, and in second picture, that man has invented an artificial hand to lift a tin. So first picture represents discovery, second picture represents invention, right? Could you say the difference between discovery and invention, children? Yes, discovery means seeing or discovering a new thing which is already exist in the nature, right? Invention is creating a new thing which has not exist. Creating a new thing is called invention, and finding a thing that is already present is called discovery. Could you understand the things? So, children, let's get into the topic, that is chapter 7, Inventions and Discoveries. So, as I said before, the invention is creation of new process or device that did not exist before. And discovery is to explore or uncover a fact or an idea that is already there, which is already present. We are finding that one, that is called discovery, right? And invention means creating a new thing. Okay, so just for an example, you are playing with a pencil and you had lost it, right? And you are trying to find it, and finally you got the pencil from some place. So that is discovering a thing which is already present. Okay, so creating a new idea or new process or new device tends to be inventions. So let's see in detail about those. So first we are going to see about famous inventions. The first one is telescope. Children, do you know the purpose of telescope? For what we are using this telescope? Yes, to see the celestial objects, that are objects present in the universe. Okay, so for this reason only we are using the telescope. So who is the founder of this telescope? Yes, Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer. He found this in 1609, right, in order to observe the sky and moon. He is the first person to say that Saturn has a ring. Okay, and also he works hard to improve the power of this telescope by grounding the lenses, right? So he observes moon phases, and then Venus phases, and the moon that are revolving around the planets, etc. And also he says with these observations that Earth is not the center of universe, right? This is the famous invention, that is telescope. So next we are going to see about electricity and lightning rod. Would you know what is meant by lightning? Yes, it comes when heavy rain happens, right? Lightning along with thunder, right? The lightning rod was invented by the famous scientist named Benjamin Franklin. Okay, so the lightning rod, what is the purpose of lightning rod, children? Yes, it absorbs the lightning and grounded it. That is, it absorbs the lightning and pass it to the ground. Right? So that many lives can be saved with the help of this lightning rod. We may know about the damages due to lightning. No, these damages can be rectified using this lightning rod. Right? So, how did he find this? Yes, once upon a time, one day he used to fly a kite in the evening. By the time a heavy thunder starts. So while the lightning came, he used to tie a metal key in the kite. By the time of lightning, the metal key starts to spark electricity. From this action only, he knew that lightning has a electric power. Right? From this, he invented the lightning rod. Right? So, this lightning rod attracts the lightning and directs to ground. And this saves many lives in the earth. Okay? Then, electric battery. So, what is electric battery, children? Yes, those batteries that are used to run a toy cars or toys, etc. Right? What it might contain? Yes, it contains some chemicals. Okay, with the help of those chemicals only, these electric batteries conduct electricity. Right? So, who invented this? Alessandro Volta, an Italian physicist, invented this electric battery. He used to think, uh, think, think over that some fluids, chemical fluids may conduct electricity. So from that, he invented this electric battery. Right? And it produces steady electric current. Then light bulb. You might have known that who is the inventor of bulb? Yes, it is Thomas Alva Edison. So he attended the school for a few months. After that, he dropped out from the school and started to work for the living source of his family, right? But he didn't stop to asking his questioning habit. He is very curious in asking the questions about what is this, how it happens, why it is happening. Like that, he used to put on questions on whatever he is seeing and whatever he is observing. With this habit only, he could able to invent the light bulb. In 1879, he created a small glass bulb and created vacuum in it. And with the help of a filament, he used to glow that bulb for a continuous period of time, that is for a long period of time. So this is the history of invention of bulb. So these are some famous inventions, that is creating a new device or process, right? So what are the inventions we had seen it? We had seen about lightning rod, then telescope, then electric battery, light bulb, right? So these are the famous inventions made by the scientist. Okay, would you clear about this, children? Right. Next, your homework part. You have to finish the practice on 1, 2 and 3 in your concept book and the questions 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 11 and 12 in your workbook. Don't forget to finish this and upload it in Google Classroom app without fail. We can meet in next session. Till then, stay safe, stay connected.